Hello, and thank you for joining us today. We are excited to announce a new service that we believe will not only make your lives easier, but also reduce stress and tension while saving everyone time during the negotiation phase of the real estate transaction. As of today, we will now be offering RepairPricer estimates on all of our inspection reports. This means that you can now turn our home inspection reports into highly accurate and easy to read repair estimates with the click of a button. No more calling in favors from handymen or waiting days for repair bids. No more upset sellers with contractors in and out of their homes at all times of the day. And no more confused buyers who don't understand the real-world impact of their inspection reports. These incredibly accurate estimates come from an independent third party, are zip code specific, and are reviewed by human pricing experts every step of the way. They are trusted as the industry standard and guarantee delivery back to you within 24 hours of submission, so you have more time to consult with your clients and carry out required negotiations. So the next time you need a home inspection, think of us. As your preferred home inspection company, we're working hard to make sure we save everyone time, money, and frustration during the home purchase process.